Controlling background app. Refresh on your iPhone 16 allows you to manage battery life, data usage, and app performance by deciding how and when apps update their content in the background. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh on the next screen to proceed. In the succeeding window, you'll see three options, namely Off, Wi-Fi, and Cellular Data. Select Off to completely disable Background App Refresh for all apps. Select Wi-Fi to allow apps to refresh only when connected to Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data to allow apps to refresh using both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Just tap to mark your preferred option based on your needs for app updates and data usage. You can also individually toggle background app refresh for specific apps in the list below these options. Simply tap the toggle switch next to the desired app that you'd like to turn background app refresh on or off. This feature on your iPhone 16 gives you control over how your apps behave when not in active use. Turning it off can help conserve battery life and reduce data usage, but may result in apps taking longer to update when you open them. The Wi-Fi only option is a good compromise, allowing updates without using cellular data. Consider your personal preferences for app performance, battery life, and data usage when choosing the most suitable option for you. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.